Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ShareASale for product link imports and tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log in to your ShareASale account. Navigate to the Accounts section in the menu. Select the Link Tracker option. Click on Add a new link to begin the authorization process. Fill in the required fields with your product details. Enter your product's URL in the designated field. Make sure to add a suitable description for easy identification. Next, check the box labeled Enable Tracking. Scroll down to the section for Tracking Options. Here, select the appropriate tracking method for your products. If applicable, input your custom parameters for additional tracking. Once all fields are completed, review your entries for accuracy. Click the Save button to store the new link. Now, go to the Reports section to verify the tracking setup. Look for the Link Performance Report to see your newly added links. You should start seeing data reflecting your link activity. For importing products, head back to the Accounts section. Click on Product Data Feeds. Select the feed that corresponds to your niche or industry. Follow the instructions to authorize the specific product import. Confirm your settings and finalize the authorization. Wait for a notification or confirmation message indicating success. Once confirmed, your products will be imported and tracked automatically. That's it. You have successfully authorized ShareASale for product link imports and tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.